If you are not selling this product for Mother's Day and Father's Day, your Etsy shop is missing out. This product is one of the more undersaturated product types out there, and I am promising I will not be gatekeeping today. I'm talking about decorative platters and plates. Now, before you scroll by thinking this is way too niche or doesn't really fit your Etsy shop, I would love for you to hear me out about why this product is going to be making incredible sales as we head into the spring season. The data on these products is absolutely insane, and every year my mind is literally blown by this. And today I'm going to be breaking down for you exactly what's working with the products that are making sales during Mother's Day and Father's Day, what people are buying, and how you can start getting them listed this week in your shop. And make sure you stick around through the whole video because I'm going to be showing you the exact data and sales numbers on these products that will make you want to hustle and start listing them ASAP. Hi there, I'm Emily. I'm a multi-six-figure Etsy print-on-demand seller and mom of two. And as a former educator, I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own shop by teaching you ways to do it without the stress and without the overwhelm. Now, I am a sucker for giftable products. It's the type of product that absolutely took my shop from zero to multi-six figures because I realized really quickly that Etsy buyers are seeking unique and meaningful gifts that they can't just go down the street and buy at a big box store. And when we're talking about Mother's Day and Father's Day, this is no different, which is why I love these plates and platters from Deco Plate because they fit and check all the boxes. To sell with Deco Plates, you're going to head to the AnywherePOD website where you can fill out a short form, and from there you'll be approved because you're an AnywherePOD user to start selling Deco Plates. The process does not take long at all, and AnywherePOD is going to come in handy in more than one way, which we're going to be diving into throughout this video. Now, if you want to see a deep dive into my product review on these Deco Plates, don't forget to watch this video here where I show you a sample that I ordered and just why I love this product so much. One of the niches that I shared in that video is Mother's Day and Father's Day. So that's what we're going to be diving into today because that is just a couple months away. So if we want to be making sales, we need to be starting right now in our shop. All right, so on the screen here, I'm going to be showing you just a few examples of some of these plates and platters and their sales numbers. I just want you to kind of soak in these numbers because this is still to me mind blowing all the time. And according to Deco Plates, Father's Day is one of the highest selling points of the year for them, even as much or sometimes more than the Christmas season. And you can see here from these listings that these numbers just blow through the roof when it comes to this springtime of the year. But you are going to make sales just throwing up a design, right? So, what is working in the products that are selling on Etsy? I'm going to walk you through three different strategies that these sellers are using that you can implement in your designs. The first one is personalization. When it comes to these platters that are selling, especially when it comes to moms, dads, fathers, grandfathers, grandmothers, all of the above, personalizing, especially with their grandkids or children's names, seems to be a key ingredient to success in these platters for these holidays in particular. Here are a few examples that I'm going to pop up on the screen of some of these platters and plates as examples to show you what this personalization might look like. Now, I hear all the time that sellers are resistant to personalized products because it is such a headache. But that is where our favorite tool, AnywherePOD, comes in because AnywherePOD allows us to personalize our products in a way where you don't have to download files, upload files, create products, all the things. Your personalization is just going to come right over when someone orders, which makes it super easy to sell, personalize, and customize products. And here's the key with these plates and platters. Buyers are going to pay for this customization. They're going to pay for something unique and they're going to pay for something meaningful, which allows you to stand out to them. All right, diving into strategy number two to stand out with these plates and platters, it's going to be creating a design around a theme, a hobby that relates to the mom, dad, grandfather, grandmother. So, for example, you can see here on the screen, here are some examples of grilling platters or baking platters. And these are gifts that are going to be fun, unique, and special for these special people on these holidays. So, when we're designing our plates and platters, we don't just want to design something that says mom or grandma. We want something that either uses a trend or uses a theme or focuses on a hobby or an identity or a background of that special person and incorporate it into our design. Remember, Etsy is not too saturated. It is saturated with generic products and generic designs. But if we create something unique and that speaks directly to that customer, then we are going to stand out. Now, Everbee is my go to research tool, and we can see here from these numbers that some of these plates and platters that I've shown you here are having astronomical numbers. And I love Everbee because it allows us to see exactly what's selling on Etsy and be able to make decisions and know where to go next based on that information. All right, and the third strategy for standing out when selling these plates and platters is a really fun one. We talked about personalization and we talked about the hobbies or the themes. And the next one is going to take it up just one more notch, which is putting photos on these platters if you are able to do that in your shop. Now, if you're a brand new beginner and this feels like a lot, that's okay. But if you're in a spot in your shop where you feel like you might be able to take your personalization up a level, then this is a great way to do that. Now, here we've seen some of these before, but here are a few examples of some of these gifts that have, that kind of floating face design on them. And this just really makes that gift special. It makes it fun, it's sometimes funny. And the other thing that I love is that I can use Anywhere POD to do this customization using their AI tools. And before, this would have definitely been a headache where you have to download the file and upload it and, erase the background and the body. Now I can use Anywhere POD and it allows me to just use a simple AI prompt and it will then remove the body and the background so that I can easily customize these in a way that doesn't take me a million hours to do. So, just to recap, these Deco plates and platters from Anywhere POD are huge moneymakers in the spring. But even more than that, what I love about them is that they are special, they are fun, they're unique. And when we're talking about selling gifts on Etsy, these are the things that sell and also make people's day. They make their holiday special. It's something unique that they can give to someone that they love. And I can't lie, the Everbee data shows us that these are huge sellers, but we don't just want to throw a generic design up. So, again, the three strategies that we talked about today. Number one, personalization is key and is going to be a huge factor in making sales. The second one is making sure to make your design themed or be based on a hobby or an interest. And that is going to be a huge selling point. And the third one is kind of the fun factor. If you're able to incorporate photos or be able to incorporate those funny floating face designs, that is going to help take your design to the next level as well. And again, all of this is possible through using Anywhere POD. Prior to using it, it would have taken me forever to be able to do any of this. And now having the opportunity to sell these special deco plates and also be able to do this customization without the headache is so pivotal to my shop. I also talked about in January how my sales have gone up so much, even during a slow season, because of this personalization. And you can catch that video here. All right, so here's what I want you to do this week. Number one, I want you to go ahead and get yourself set up with a Deco Plates account through Anywhere POD and be able to start working on your designs. Number two, I want you to pick either Mother's Day or Father's Day. You don't have to do both at the same time, but pick one and focus on your research of what's selling there. And then I want you to implement those strategies we talked about today, personalization or the hobbies and the themes, and start creating your designs because it will take you a little bit of time to get in the swing of listing these. And I want to make sure you have plenty of time before Mother's Day and Father's Day start to roll around. And if you need any help at all with the design process, I recently posted a video here walking you through a full design tutorial on how to list these plates and design for them. So don't miss that as well. And if you want more help implementing these strategies or learning how to list these plates and platters or use Anywhere POD or do your research, then come join us in the Gift Lab community. That's my school community where I am working with our members every single day of the week, doing listing audits, live weekly coaching calls, sharing trends, and so much more to be able to help you launch, grow, and scale your own Etsy shop. We are also going to be hosting a Q2 prep challenge in March where we will get your shop fully prepped before this spring rush. All right, that's it for today. If today's video was helpful in getting you prepared for Mother's Day and Father's Day on Etsy, go ahead and hit that like or subscribe button below. And thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Emily. I'll see you next time.